Hey everyone! Welcome back to another WPXPO tutorial. Today we'll learn how to add a date picker to WooCommerce product page. Why use a date picker? Let's say you run an online gift shop. With a date picker, your customers can select the exact delivery dates, perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, or special holidays. Ideal for appointments, consultations, or any business that depends on scheduling. Makes sense, right? Let's set it up. To add a date picker, first we'll need the Wow Addons WooCommerce Product Addons plugin. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Click Plugins. Then Add Plugin. In the search box, type Wow Addons. Then hit Install and Activate. Once activated, you'll see Wow Addons appear in your dashboard menu. Click on it and then Create Add-ons. Trust me, you found the most user-friendly product add-ons builder available for WooCommerce. No other plugin matches the intuitive experience that Wow Addons delivers. Excited? Let's add the date picker to your product page. First things first. Name your add-on something clear, like Gift Delivery Date Picker. This will help you identify your add-on later. Next, choose the products to apply your date picker add-on. For our example, we choose a specific gift item, but you can also pick all products if you want a date picker on every product. Specific categories, specific tags. Very flexible, isn't it? Now click any of the plus icons to explore the available fields. Wow Addons offers 22 plus different field types. You can scroll through them or search for date picker and select it. You can also mark this field as mandatory, then enter a clear title, such as Select Delivery Date. You can hide the title, but displaying it helps customers understand the option clearly. Next, set the pricing. Choose your preferred price position. Price with title or price with option. Let's keep it price with title. Then, pick a pricing type, fixed pricing, percentage pricing, or no cost if you offer for free. Next, select your preferred date format from the drop-down. There are 4 options to pick from. Set disable days and disable dates to control when deliveries are unavailable. Disable days let you mark specific weekdays as unavailable, and use disable dates to block certain dates of the month. Now, if you want to make your date picker visually relevant, click Global Style to customize font styles, colors, and more. Don't forget to hit Publish once everything looks great. Now let's check the output. See, your WooCommerce product page now features an intuitive date picker. Remember, date pickers aren't just for delivery or appointments. Get creative and use them in ways that suit your business needs. Want to explore more ways to add product add-ons to your WooCommerce store? Subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.